Hi guys, the reason I don't have a tripod on this video is because it's just going to be a really quick video. Went back to the Target where I found the iPhone 3GS and all those other phones, the boot loop one too. Yeah, I found this. It's a camcorder, a Cisco flip video. It does not work. I was going to use this to do my YouTube videos on, but it does not work. They're notorious for their batteries breaking, and I'm pretty sure that's what happened to this one. They're kind of cool though. I'm going to sell it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.